Take a look at this tweet. Prison is especially damaging for women. My bill would ensure that women are only sent to prison if they have committed serious crimes or pose a threat to the public. This is a tweet from the Liberal Democrats page. The Liberal Democrats are a major political party in the UK, and this tweet is what it sounds like. They're basically saying that women should not go to prison for certain crimes, or they'll only go to prison for a serious crime or if they pose a threat to the public, even though that's not really defined. Now, this has actually been an ongoing issue in the UK that MRAs have been talking about for a few years now. In England, women and men basically have two different justice systems. Actually, literally, under law, they have two different justice systems where women are automatically given less of a punishment than men for committing the same crime. And sometimes, as you can see in this tweet, women don't go to jail at all for committing certain crimes, when, of course, a man would go to jail for committing the same crime. As unlikely as that sounds, as you'll see from the articles which I've linked below, it's actually true, and it's actually the law in the UK, where women are automatically treated differently than men in the criminal justice system. Women are automatically exempt from prison from certain crimes that men go to jail for. And this is actually the law, where if a man and a woman are arrested for exactly the same crime, the man is automatically treated more harshly and given more punishment just because he is a man. This is blatantly in violation of equality under law and discrimination under law, but it's happening anyway. And it's one of the things MRAs mean when we mean that when discrimination against men happens, it's completely ignored and it's completely accepted. And there's actual legal discrimination under law happening like this. I put a link to those articles down below, and I also put a link to some Reddit posts that I did on this. Even though my account has been suspended, fortunately, you can still click links to my previous submissions, so you can still read about this. This has been an ongoing effort in UK politics for quite a while now. And if you look at the source, it's feminist groups. So feminism is pushing for a separate justice system, an unequal justice system for men and women, where women are automatically treated more leniently for the same crime as a man. So if a woman, let's say, steals and a man steals, let's say same age, from the same class, similar background, a man and a woman, they both commit exactly the same crime. Let's say they both steal $10,000 or 10,000 pounds. The woman wouldn't go to jail and the man would. Or even if the woman went to jail, it would automatically be for less time than the man. That is blatantly sexism and discrimination under law. That is a two-tiered justice system that treats people differently in the court of law based on their gender. Just imagine if it was the other way around. Just imagine if it was men who were automatically given an easier treatment in the court system when they commit a crime. Just imagine what feminists would say. And what's dangerous about this is you're telling 50% of the population you can get away with committing crimes. If you commit fraud or if you commit theft, you won't go to jail. And that's a message that 50% of the population gets. In my opinion, that's very dangerous and completely sexist.